Here our limit comes.
Look at this out front.
And they're just coming yet. Come.
Right side, boys.
Holy shit.
Shoot him out there.
Look at these dropping in. Holy.
What do you think, Ron? You ever seen anything like it?
Never, never, never.
Get ready, boys.
Get ready, boys. Shoot them out front. Shoot them. Load. Here. Coming back. Sit. Watch bugs out. Shoot that high one. Shoot that one right there. Get ready, boys.
I'm gonna do these.
Go ahead.
These nuts out there. If you got these up here,
Hazelnuts,
Yeah, there was
not
a-
that big. Where the hell did you get this?
whose land was it?
On Marquette's. Marquette's land? You're kidding. Boy, these are big. Was there a lot?
I don't know, he found
Tree
one.
full.
A tree full. I'm gonna go pick them. These are good eating.
Are
You
they?
can eat those?
Let's break it open, see what the hell they're
Give me a
getting.
pair of paws.
Use your teeth.
Huh?
Use your teeth.
No, you
I
got.
just opened one, they were that hard. I
You
did,
got
ask
see,
them.
there's that heavy shell on there, Jill.
No, they're not that bad.
Okay, you do it then.
Step on the damn thing.
Put it under the
Sure,
splatter.
yeah.
Oh yeah, put them, yeah.
Don't smash it, just crush it.
They're hard to smash.
Are they?
I'm gonna cut myself.
So you have to,
No, here, sit.
I got no service in there.
To eat them, you have to.
What good to see ya.
I'm good. That was great.
I'm gonna go picking hazelnuts.
Yeah, you were gonna get them now.
He did. Get a growth spurt, didn't he?
My Lord.
Yeah, that'd even be worse.
Panic.
Well, catch it, son of a bitch. Run him down.
Oh my God.
No.
Marshall and all these birds, we found him shooting. Boss.
And she always felt bad because the other kids wouldn't invite her to their birthday parties and all that. A lot of people don't have, very few people got one of them. It pays to have a butcher know where them joints are.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd spend all day on that.
Shoot two, Jack. Shoot two. I don't have a gun. Nice. Heads up, Ron.
Fuck, I thought that was in danger.
Thanks for shooting mine.
Yeah, I got it. Right.